Use the code CHICKEN in the shop.
Hey, Clash Quest update. It's a Clash Quest update, and I'm trying to sneak peek. I'm gonna be looking at the runes. I'm gonna be watching the chickens' YouTubes.
Guys, it's time to clash with chicken. Thank you to the Island Boys for that beautiful intro. That was really cool. But guys, we got more important stuff than the Island Boys themselves to go over here today. So we have the Clash Quest next update has been announced. We got some sneak peeks for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to break down. There's a lot going on in this update. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to let you see. We're going to let the main Clash Quest video play so you can get a visual on everything that I'm talking about. And we're just going to kind of briefly go over the whole update. I'll give you guys my thoughts and everything like that. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So if you guys haven't already, appreciate you subscribe to the channel. But here's everything that we got coming over right out of the gates here, guys. Let's just go over this right now. So we have arcane etchings, we have art updates, we have replays, we have magic item remodeling, we have league love, and we have a new island and more. So there's a ton going on in this update, guys. So let's start off. We got Darian on the beach. It's island update time. We know it's exciting. So the biggest thing that's coming in this update is going to be runes. Now, Darian kind of explains this over the first few minutes of the video, but essentially, runes are a new type of item being added with the next update. They have powerful effects that can change the outcome of tight battles. Runes can be imagined as a crew's superpower, strong and game-changing that swoops in to save your battle at opportune moments. Runes are meant to solve that hopelessness you might feel when stuck. Now some lucky rune activations can help you overcome difficult puzzles. So the way that the runes actually work, each crew has one slot for runes. Your crew is your deck, essentially. All the troops that you're using when you go into a battle. Initially, the first 7 crew will have 1 rune, and the last 4 won't. That just means the troops. So, I forgot them on top of my head, but Archer, Goblin, Giant, the main troops are all going to have individual runes that are going to do different things depending on which troop that they are. And they're going to introduce extra runes in future updates, possibly. So each rune has 4 upgrade levels. So you discover runes initially at level 1, and each subsequent loot will increase that rune's level by 1. However, runes are activated differently. Runes can randomly trigger on one of 3 moments. When attacking, regardless of the activated group size. When damaged by incoming attacks, and at the start of the turn per crew on the board. And new players will get 4+ runes very quickly. We want to see how they will affect and impact the core gameplay. And your starting 4 crew will each receive their rune by the end of Region 1. So that's essentially kind of in a nutshell how they work, guys. So, yeah. So we're not gonna have any runes for the bomb miner, the baby dragon, the minion, or the bomber. But some other exciting stuff as we get the visuals over here. Some other exciting stuff that is going to come soon is we are going to have replays. So we're going to have replays, I believe, in the clan as well as in the single player mode on the map. We're going to have a bunch of new updated icons and user interface that we kind of went over at the start of the video. So that basically means the troops are going to look a little bit different. The troop card screens are going to look different, and it's just going to get a little bit more polish. A little bit nicer looking, and that kind of always happens as the game progresses through the beta and goes on towards global launch. They always fix the art style and that kind of thing. We have a new magic item. So the new magic item is called Rally Horn, and the data shows that the Magic Missile Wand and Summon Bell are clear leaders for the most popular magic item. The Rally Horn will work similarly to Shuffle, rearranging your whole board. However, instead of a random draw, the Rally Horn will set up all your crew into matchmaking groups. Magic items in League. So we're going to have each League run. You'll receive 1 magic item at random to use, and it will be one of the following: Magic Missile Wand, Summon Bell, and the Rally Horn. And then we have some other kind of minor improvements, and then we also have our new island, which is going to be called Sandy Sanctum. Now, Sandy Sanctum is not for everybody. This is more endgame content for people that have finished the game, essentially. So that's going to be, really cool for people to kind of strive towards, and for those of those of us that have kind of completed the main islands already, give you a chance to just complete something else. So that's cool too. The update is mostly geared towards making the game better and adding more features and content. I'm really excited about the runes. I think that adds a really kind of unique and interesting mechanic into the game that we can kind of play around with. But we're gonna see. We're gonna find out together exactly how that looks like. So yeah. So let me know what you guys think. I'm sure you've already seen this video. I just wanted to give you some kind of visual as I was talking about this stuff. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. That is going to wrap up the video today. Big shout out to the Island Boys, and we'll catch the next one, guys. Chicken out. Back.